here we are, my first unboxing video. I know it's kind of cliche these days on the internet to do unboxing videos, but this one deserves to be done. I've been waiting a long time for this box. Finally decided to take the plunge. Inside, we will find a Mavic Pro. My first drone. Now let's see what we've got here. Packing material. The battery charging hub. The holiday pack from DJI. Accessory combo. So we've got the landing pad, the joystick protector for travel, a couple of skins, lens hood protector, and the propeller protectors. Next up, we've got the propeller guards. Everything I've been reading online says that very much worth the purchase, particularly when you're first learning to fly. Keep those props out of trouble and keep your fingers out of trouble as well. It doesn't appear to, from what I've seen, have an adverse effect on performance. The new low noise props. This is the props that go with the Mavic Pro Platinum, but they are backward compatible to the regular Mavic Pro. We'll drop the dB output by about 4.5 dB, which should take a nice chunk out of that noise. I got a couple of sets so I can go completely with that. And then of course we've got the Mavic itself. Mavic Pro, the guards, the props, the battery charger hub, and the accessory combo. Notice Alpine White Edition. I didn't get it because it was Alpine White. I got it because it was on sale. But being white and different from many of the other ones is going to be pretty cool as well. And we open up the box. This is a nicely laid out box. And we've got the bag here for sliding the Mavic Pro in. Take our bag out. There it is. Soft inside, a little bit of padding. That'll help keep it in good shape. And then these are the connector cords for this smart device. This package comes with every conceivable flavor of cable, I believe. And then on this side, what do we have? Oh, all the documentation. The paper doco that I probably will simply file away because I'm reading it all electronically. That's on this end. The props. So we've got five props, so one set and a spare, I guess, or two spares, or two full sets. All right. The thing that I liked about this bundle is it gives me 3 batteries, so that much more flight time. A nice white case for the Arctic White. Matching Arctic White controller. Nice. Feels very quality made. I like that. Silica pack and a power cord. I assume that goes to my charger and the baby itself. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Swing the legs out. It's already got a set of props installed on the rear. Look at that. That is a nice looking piece of machinery. And there's our bubble protector. Continue to dig down through the batteries. The precision foam insert. Down to more cables and the charger pad. So let's take a look at what's in the accessory kit. Oh, snazzy. Now these are the skins. And the launch pad. Let's go ahead and take a look at that too. Oh, comes with stakes to hold it down so it doesn't blow away. And some fluorescent trimmings, it looks like. And there we are. Helipad, you can do it on blue or on orange. And then it just twists. Just like a sun protector on your windshield, and tucks away. Very nice. And then we've got the joystick protectors for travel. Go ahead and put those right on. Yeah, there we go. See? Now, no harm comes to those joysticks while you're traveling. And this, I believe, is the prop protector. Not quite sure exactly what it looks like. Oh, more tape. Oh, it secures them on the drone for transport. Okay. Got it. And the camera protector. Lens hood for Mavic Pro. So it's a lens hood. Keep the flares down by having an angle on it. Okay. So you'll still get the good airflow, but you'll protect your camera and your gimbal, as well as keep the sun off of it. I like that. All right. Well, there you have it. There's the unboxing. We will have to charge up the batteries and tune in to the next episode where we'll actually go for our first flight. Thanks for joining me. Until next time. Later.